The pull chain Trinity has 3 exercises that target each of the major muscle groups in your pull chain. You've got your biceps, rear deltoids and traps, and your lats. So biceps, we have our straps, of course, leaning on back. So the more you lean back, the more weight you put on your hands, therefore more weight, more resistance. Palms are turned up, or you can rotate as you do your curls, as you see fit. Shoulders are down and back. Bring your hands towards your forehead in a smooth motion. It helps to kind of think of scooping your hands up a little bit rather than driving your elbows down, which is fine. It's just a row. It's not quite a curl. So we want to make sure we're targeting right into the biceps, getting a bit of a squeeze in the biceps at the top, and then coming down under control. To hit the upper back and the rear deltoids, we have the rear fly. So again, we're facing towards the anchor points. The arms are straight, and we try to keep them as straight as possible as we pull apart, squeezing our shoulder blades together as we do so. Keep in mind that you're going to want to be tempted to bend, because a bent arm is less resistance. It's perfectly fine, it's not dangerous or anything, but you are losing resistance. So make sure your back is arched, spine is extended, and maintain full control throughout the entire range of motion, keeping the weight on the heels if it comes to the balls of your feet. Now you've got sag in the straps, therefore you lose resistance. Lose resistance, you lose most of the tension and the benefit. And then to hit the lats, we have the straight arm pull downs. A little tricky on the straps, but it's manageable with a little bit of a modification. So the arms are straight, you pull straight down with your shoulders back, not up so far that we move our weight to the balls of our feet, because then we lose resistance. So you only move in the range that you have resistance. But doing so squeezes your lats to a very high degree. You don't want your arms out to the side too much. Keep squeezing as you're pulling. So you're basically pulling your arms down, kind of like almost a swimming stroke. Very strong, controlled motion. Once again, lean back a little further. Adds resistance to the arms, makes the lats, and even, yes, the rear deltoids work to a higher degree as well.